Hi everyone, I am super excited to show you the new kit. It's a sort of lacy botanical kit, so I got quite a bit of laces, as you know, in Florence, and so we scanned some of them and then did a more lacy sort of kit because Stef made them PNGs. Now I did a couple of pages and then Stef was totally inspired and took over and did the rest of the kit. So this is one of my pages, so it's more like a collage sheet. And then this one here, and I'm really pleased with them, and some of my antique letters that I have. Most of it's mine except for the butterflies and the birds in the background. And then Stef took over. So this is one of Steffi's, and I absolutely love it, and how he put the lace detail across and the colors and this beautiful lace here. And yeah, so really excited. But look at this. I think this was the one he brought in the room when I went, oh my goodness, when I gave you guys the teaser that that he was designing. This is one of my laces here, and this one and this one. Isn't that gorgeous? And that's a photograph of a door that we had, and then Stef's done that. He's so clever. And then this one here we kept more simple for writing on. I printed these all on 120 GSM, just a slightly heavier, better quality paper, and I used my HP. And I like the way he did the old book page around the edge on some of them. Look at this one. Oh, maybe it was this one he brought in. These again my laces here, and that's one of my antique postcards. Yeah, really amazed at what he did here. And then this one here, got a little bit colorful, and I love how he had that plant coming over the top, our lace there, lace, and then some of the antique initials and script behind here. It's very complex, very clever. And then this one, absolutely love it. That's a photograph I took in Siena. And we took some details of walls and things. Yeah, really pleased with that. And then one of my embroideries that I have behind. And then so that's 8 pages, and then we've got the usual 4-page kit of journaling cards, and Stef did those for me, and he did add little bits and pieces here and there if he felt like it was necessary. So they're the journaling cards, and they can also be pockets. Super pretty. And then we did the tags. Now this took me a while because they're quite laborious to decorate. So these are not the non-decorated ones, and then that's the decorated one of that one. So I'll just show you them. I really like that. But it's quite hard because, as you can see, they're quite they're already got quite a bit going on when they're the plainer ones, and then that's actually that decorated. So there's some antique embroideries there, fabrics. That's from the Graphics Fairy. There's a whole mix of things, English gardens. So always a little, you know, I sort of do botanical, butterflies, birds, flowers. It's always that sort of thing. Bit of embroidery behind, and then that's the plain one there, and then the decorated one. So there'll be 3 kits as usual, and don't forget the discount code in the description box. So I hope you like those. I'm super pleased with them, and I can't wait to use them, and I think I'm probably going to use them fairly quickly. And yeah, so clever Steffi. Thank you, Steffi, and we'll be on to the next one. So I hope you like those. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.